Hey guys, Shark Muppet here. Today we are at Hoover Dam. This is the long form version. I'm going to have a short version and a long version of me going to Hoover Dam. This is really cool. We're at Hoover Dam right now. Here's the river at Hoover Dam. Here's the river. Here's the Hoover Dam with a lot of concrete that will make a 4-lane road from California to New York. That's a long ways. This is a cool place. This is the dam right here. It goes all the way down there. I don't even know how they built this. This is a better shot of it right here. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. And the thing is that this was built in the 1930s, so that's even more crazy. And then that bridge right there is also ginormous. And then there's all the water. I want to go swim in it, but that's scary. I don't want to fall and then never come back up. Finally, I can get some shade. It's so hot here. Oh my gosh, a toilet. It looks like there's a code here. I must say the code is 5, 2, pound 6, 3. How do I enter it? 0? Oh, I don't think it's correct. Whoa, there's a boat down there. It's not getting, it's too blurry, but there's a boat down there in Hoover Dam. That's cool. Apparently it only took them a couple years to build this. It says over there, Hoover Dam 1931 to 1935. So I guess it only took them 4 years to build this ginormous thing. This is crazy in only 4 years. Oh my God. I feel like I'm gonna die. I need water. Water. Oh, I found water. Water. Alright, I got some water, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.